get your mirror cap off, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to move your mirror all the way down, and you can kind of start to see it. Alright, so it's all the way down. I'll get a light in there. But if you can see it, and I'll get out and show you. Come on, we were there. Alright, so there's a tab there and a tab there. And I'll show you how to get that out. Once you have your tab out, you're just going to need a little screwdriver, flathead. Can't really see it, but that's all you need. And 2 hands. 3 if you need to hold one of these things. Now, it'll be kind of hard to see. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is get your screwdriver up into that tab and just wiggle it gently. Wiggle it gently. Once you get down in there, you'll kind of see. So if you wiggle that tab down, it should pop off. Alright, so there's a tab and a tab, and you'll see inside there that if you just get your screwdriver right in there and just kind of like push it down, then when you take your cap off, you'll see these 2 tabs here, and what you want to do is pop your cap off and roll it back so that you don't break off these tabs. So we're going to go grab the other one, and then we're going to head inside, clean it up, and we're going to wrap that. If you broke off one of the tabs, like I did, because you're impatient and really aggressive when it comes to taking apart your car, we are just going to put a little bit of epoxy on it with a screwdriver, put some tape on it to hold it in place, and we're just going to let it dry. So we're going to try to just put a little dab on that and put it back. So we are just gonna put some epoxy on that, hold it in place, and hopefully when we come back, it'll be dry. If not, we tried. So we have our caps off. We're just gonna clean them up, and we're gonna try to vinyl them. I really wanted like the carbon fiber pieces on these, but if you guys are like me, you're on the internet all the time, daydreaming about the stuff you can put on your car, and it costs too much money. But I figured if I do this, I bought some vinyl to try to match my roof, and if you haven't seen my roof, it's like a metallic black. So hopefully this matches it. The one that I ordered previously was out of stock, and they said this was like the same one, so we're gonna see if it matches. Also, we're terrible at vinyl, so there's only one way to get better at it. Keep doing it. So we learned one thing, that I am awful at doing vinyl. So we're going to use this video as a what not to do when you're installing vinyl. So I am going to go get some help, and then I'll just show you what it looks like when it's done, because I can't do this. But thanks for sticking around. I hope you use this as a, if you bought a new mirror cap or wanted to wrap them yourself because you know what you're doing, I hope this video helped. Also, if you want to start doing vinyl, don't watch this video. Well, I mean, watch it, and then go watch one where they're good at it. Well, with a little help, I got them done. They look good, but it is not something I can do by myself. I am just awful at vinyl, and I know if I just keep doing it, I'll get better at it, but with help, it definitely turned out. I'm sorry I didn't really get a whole lot of footage of it, but if you want to get a laugh out of how bad I was trying to put it on myself, feel free. You can tear it up in the comments if you'd like. But they look decent. It's a little dark in the garage, but it came out good. It's not as metallic as the roof, but it matches. And that's kind of what we were going for. I do want to get this kind of painted up like I did these bezels. Get those bezels. These guys. That way everything kind of matches. I also want to do these. But if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Kind of use this as like a guide just to see what I was doing, because it was just an epic fail for me today. But I got them done at least. So if you like them, stick around. Hopefully we'll get the carbon fiber ones and you won't even have to see those. But we're just going to pretend like everything went smooth and you can get a good laugh. I'll see you guys next time.